Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you today and it is my BOXYCHARM BOXYLUXE, and this thing feels heavy. I also am smelling something like woodsy or earthy spa like scent. I don't know, so I'm very excited to see what we got. So of course, BOXYLUXE, I always need a little bit of a reminder because this happens once every 3 months. So it's the upgrade to your regular BOXYCHARM. So in total you pay $49.99. $50. You get a mixture of just a little bit more than makeup and skincare. You could get like lifestyle kind of things, body care. There's a lot that could be in here. So I'm really excited to see what I got. I really didn't pay attention to spoilers, so this is all going to be news to me. So let's see. Right on top, we've got our card, massive card. I'm gonna not look too hard right now. So I see something from Luxie. So here is, looks like a little brush pouch with Luxie. I'm assuming we're getting brushes. We've got a little sponge. This feels like a really smooth sponge, not my typical go-to, but I've never tried a Luxie sponge before. So that's what the sponge looks like. That's in the bag. And very excited for these 4 Luxie brushes. These feel nice. They're like a soft matte. I love this mint. I guess this is the color mint. And you've got 4 different brushes. We got eye shading, concealer, tapered blending, and then the eyeliner. I like this little eyeliner brush. It looks different. So there are the brushes, very on theme with my backdrop and look today. I did do a tutorial on this look on TikTok, by the way, in case you are interested. So yeah, I like these. I use a lot of Luxie brushes very frequently. I think in this eye look that I did today, I probably use like 6 or 7 Luxie brushes of different shapes and sizes. So I really love Luxie brushes. I'm very excited for these. Jury's out on the sponge. Like, I can typically tell a sponge right away based on how it feels. This feels a little bit too firm and a little bit too smooth for me, but sometimes you get surprised. Even though you have an idea, sometimes it can be surprising. So I'm still going to try this out. It might be a good one just for like under eye concealer. So very excited for that item. And it says that this is the Florals brush set. Goes for $40. So $40 for that's a little bit high. While I love Luxie brushes, you can typically get them on a deal, but very excited to have these. Next up, this might be what I'm smelling. The French Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash from Smith French Dublin. So it says it's wild pine, woodland mint, and rosemary. It just so happens that I hate rosemary and I'm not big on mint either. It's just not a scent for me. Apart from that, I wouldn't be too mad at this. This is a pretty massive hand soap. So I will stick this in my guest bathroom and let other people use it, and I'm totally fine with that. Let's see what it says. It says this goes for $25. It's big, but dang. It's an invigorating hand wash packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland and enriched with locally sourced ingredients. I like that. Locally sourced ingredients, that's always really cool. So I like the idea of it. This is just not gonna be a scent for me. I'm very picky about how my hands smell. If I'm going to be eating or drinking anything, I cannot have my hands smelling like overly fragrant or any kind of scent that I don't like. I'm very weird about it, I will admit. So anyway, not the best item for me personally, but I wouldn't be mad at it if it was another scent. NARS blush. You can never go wrong with a NARS blush. Let's see, this goes for $30, which you guys have probably all seen NARS blushes many times. Let's see, I'm gonna open it before I see what color it is. I know I had some NARS blushes, but I cannot for the life of me find them. I got one recently, Gaiety, which I really like. I've used. This has to be Orgasm, which is a beautiful color. Yeah, this is Orgasm. It's kind of like that peachy pink. It's really beautiful. I love Orgasm blush. Very excited to have a NARS blush. Not gonna complain about that at all. Next up, we got the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. It has hashtag Say I Love You with Pride. So that is the box. And this goes for $64. It says it's an antioxidant enriched moisturizer for 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients for a youthful appearance. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it actually has the Say I Love You with Pride on the packaging. I like that. Really excited for this. I really like Dr. Brandt skincare. I've tried many things and have enjoyed them, so really excited to have this. Next up, this is the Aromatherapy. Oh, this might be it too. These smell really similar. Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. Energize and Awaken. Grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper. I'm just having bad luck with these scents today just because if I didn't like hate that one thing. I'm also not big on grapefruit or juniper though. Like, I'm pretty much that basic bitch that wants like sweet fragrances. That's what I like. So yeah, I feel like this is more sophisticated scents and I'm not quite there yet. So I'm not mad at this. Again, it's just I can't do the scent. What even is this? Let me see what it says. So this goes for $46. Jeez. Naturally exhilarating properties of the Revive Body Gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary. Stimulates my gag reflex. Help. I'm sorry. I'm not dissing on the products, but the smell of rosemary helps to promote an even skin tone and boost energy. I don't know. This isn't really something like body gel. I mean, I put on body moisturizer and I'm like, oh my god, I'm hot and sweaty and sticky. So I don't really know that I would add anything else to that routine. So I'll probably share this with someone. I can't imagine having a desire to use this, but it's a nice little, you know, bougie thing. Maybe I can gift this. I don't know. I'm just striking out with these scents. So let's see what else I got. We got NYS Collection Clarkson Avenue sunglasses. Okay. I'm just like, now I'm wondering, I have some good products so far, but I'm starting to wonder like, maybe this isn't my box. So let's see. I don't know what these look like. Oh, these are cute. They're kind of bitten. This is the side right here. And here's, I mean, I like the front of them. So do you guys think that they look good on me? I actually think like, I've been looking for bigger sunglasses just for protection, like not for style, but I typically like the style that's, you know, a little bit cat eye effect, if that makes sense. So tell me if you guys think these look good. It's different on the sides. It's more like a quilted looking. So that's not bad. I like the style. So I'm happy about that. It says these go for $35. Okay, not a crazy expensive price tag. I like that. $35 is reasonable for nice sunglasses for sure. I usually buy cheap ones because I have the worst luck with sunglasses, but $35. It's a go-to everyday fashion frame with a balance between timeless and edgy. Features a slightly winged shape frame, okay, polycarbonate gradient lenses, gold metal accents, and a quilted embossed temple pattern. Okay, I was right about that. I just realized I didn't touch up my lip before I sat down to film. A little bit more lip liner. And I had a crumb on my face. I am a fucking mess. Dry Cosmetics Sugar and Spice. I put that on because our next item is the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. So I'm gonna try this on with my lip liner. So this goes for, what the fuck? This says a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. This says this goes for $122. Let's put it on. That has the weirdest texture. I don't know how to describe it, but I've felt something like this before. Some kind of gel or something where it kind of feels like it's gone, and then when you put your lips together, you feel it. $122, I'm sorry. I don't know, I don't see this. $122, who's buying this at retail? Can you tell me? And I know Avant is high end, I know that. I'm putting on some e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. Okay, so it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't feel like incredibly nourishing or anything. So I feel like this is just one of those things that you'd have to use over time to see because of the hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, and then the vitamin B3. So jury's out on that, but let me know in the comments. Would you pay $122 for a lip product ever? Like, it would have to be I don't know what it would have to be for me to pay $122, but it would have to be amazing. So we got one product left. So next up, the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. This goes for $38. Okay, this must be a different texture because it's like moving around the jar. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because it's already kind of messy, but that is what it looks like. Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser. Huh. Okay, let me read about this because it says melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with a buttery, brightening cleanser. Unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and acerola cherry, rich in AHAs, helps to brighten, and mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrate the skin. Okay, this is a new product, it says. It says it's a new launch. So I'm very excited for this. I saw this in the pop-up and I was like, ooh, but I didn't order anything because I didn't see a lot that I was interested in. So it says to massage into dry skin, rinse with warm water, or apply to a cotton pad and wipe gently over the face. It sounds like it's a cleansing butter, so I'm very curious if I would like this as a cleanser, but I'm definitely going to try it like with makeup, without makeup, and see how it goes. I do love Elemis products, so I'm very, very happy to have this. So there you have that. So the Elemis was $38, NARS is $30, Luxie for $40 is $108, sunglasses $35, $143, Revive Body Gel $46, Dr. Brandt is $64, so that is $253, and the hand wash $25. Okay, that's without the lip. So I feel like, okay, I'll let that one totally slide. As long as the lip wasn't making up like the dramatic part of the box. $278, and then if you add in the $122 lip product, it's $400. Is that really? I'm about to look this up. I'm seeing it on other websites for like $136. On Look Fantastic's website, I have shopped there before, $122.90. I will still try it out. I'm very curious when I get something that has that high price tag to see if it can even remotely live up to the hype. So I'm very excited for, I'm actually really stoked for the sunglasses. The style is really cute. The Elemis Butter, the Dr. Brandt, we love some good skincare. What else? Oh, for sure, my NARS blush and the Luxie brushes. So there, I feel like I've already gotten like a pretty good deal. $50 for all of that, you really can't beat it. So then we got the hand wash, the body gel, and the lip, which I will use. Unfortunately, the scent of the body product and the hand product is just not for me. That just is an unfortunate coincidence that they both are scents that I don't like, because otherwise I feel like any other time I would have gotten at least one scent that was okay for me. I'm picky, so there you go. But that is it for this unboxing. I want to know your guys' thoughts, if you like BOXYLUXE or if you've ever tried it, and what you think about that lip product. So thank you guys so much for hanging with me for a little bit and seeing this unboxing. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.